welcome back to my channel. So the time right now is 7:10 and I'm just done with my work and I left from home. So as I have told in the other videos, the previous video as well, that big surprise is coming. Actually it's tomorrow. So the thing is that my girlfriend is coming after 1 year of long distance relationship. She's back. She will be back tomorrow and I'm planning a surprise for her. Like I have it in my mind, but I cannot express it like how it will be. Let's see if I get the things. The problem is that I should get everything that I want, and yeah, so I'll just go to the church now and get a bouquet and all those other things which I want. So you all must be thinking that if I make a vlog on the previous day, that she will be looking at it. She'll be already seeing the vlog, but it won't be the case because the vlog which I make today, I will edit tomorrow and post it tomorrow also only. So tomorrow she is coming. So by the time she receives the surprise, the vlog will be up. So I'll just go to the church. I'll check what things are there and I'll see how I can manage. It's been a habit for me to stay late up till the last point to make things ready. Every time I do the same thing. Even you give me 10 days, 20 days to do the thing, I will never do it pre-planned. I will just wait for the last moment, and it works out. It turns out good as long as that happens. Who cares about it? So I'll go to the church now. I'll get the things and let's see what we get. I'm also thinking of having a haircut. Yesterday I thought I'll have a haircut, but they were closed. But today I called him. He's open itself. So we'll go to the church now. So I gave the order for the bouquet. I told him to put white and red flowers. So he said that it will be ready in half an hour. I'll come then. But before that, I'll go to the other shop as well. So I went to the shop and got these things that I require. And the bouquet is also ready. So wait, I'll just keep it here. So this is how the bouquet looks. Now Fraser is also home, but before that I'll go and cut my hair, and then we'll go to Margao, meaning I want to put petrol and there are a few things that I need from Margao, so we'll go and get them also. So this क्या चावल मतलब नहीं रे, राइस का कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है रे? चावल लेने का दुकान से। हाँ ठीक है। मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ चावल क्या है अभी। So this guy is open and I'll just take a quick haircut. Although it's pretty much in shape, but only the top hair were quite big. So I'm done with the haircut and it has turned out really good. I'm happy that the slope and all is really perfect. So right now I'll go home and have bath and then I'll see what are the other plans. I just sat in the car and I saw droplets of water, which means it was raining. Yesterday also I planned that I'll go to Margao and get the bike tank full, but same thing happened yesterday also. But today it does not looking at the weather, it does not look it will rain. But I'll wait for 10-15 minutes after I take a bath and then we'll see if I go to Margao today at least.
2 hours later.
And I went home and had bath. And now I'm come to Margao. So I got Fraser along with me. Actually I have two things to do. First is that I need to put petrol, and secondly I have to take petrol for my bike, and secondly I have to take out printouts. But looking at the time, it is already 9:40. So we'll see if there is someone open, or I don't know how we'll manage, but somehow I will get the job done. So before I left from home only, I told this guy I sent him the photos and all, and I told him to print. I was just telling Fraser to check a shop because I wanted him to take the trouble to search for shops. So here's the print which I already told him. You look at his expression.
हम आपको चूतिया नहीं बना रहे हैं.
So I checked at 9 and the shop was getting closed at 9:30. So I sent him everything on WhatsApp and I asked him to print and keep it for me. So I asked him to print some photos and Yeah, they look pretty good. Okay. Yeah, so these are the photos. I'll show you like what I planned on how I'll be doing it. But for now, like I'm happy that the job is done here. We were just going home and Mr. DIY was closed, but we just requested them because we wanted a bag. Although this bag, it looks okay, but you know it is not that pleasing to us. But still, since we did not have any option, we got this. You know, before the bouquet that we did not like. I did not like. So I came here to do another bouquet. So I'm looking, you know, somewhat like this with only red. The red and white what I chose was not that good. So somewhat like this, but a bit bigger one, and that looks much better. And so the time right now is 12:15. So I just washed the car. I know it's not that clear, but I just washed it. You know, because tomorrow I don't want to get up in the morning and then wash it. So better I thought that I'll wash it now only and then I'll go to sleep. Because tomorrow I'll be leaving quite early in the morning. That's I think at 6 o'clock. Even before 6 I'll be leaving. So yeah, I'll just like go up now. And there are a few things left to do. I'll just show it to you all also. And then I'll go to sleep. So these are the two bouquets that I got. Initially I had got this one. But then I did not like it that much. So I got this one. I think this one looks better, but only thing is this white, I don't know what is also called. This things he did not have, so I'll have to manage with that. I think I'll remove from here and put it in this one. So this one looks like quite good, and there are some other things that I'll have to do. I'll directly do it and I'll show it to you. So I'm done with most of the things, but here's a few things that I'm showing all, and rest of the things I'll show you all tomorrow only. It's time for me also to go to sleep. It's pretty late. It's 1:16, 1:16, and I have to get up at 6 o'clock. So I'll have my food also. Today also I'll be having what is this? Parathas. Parathas with egg curry, and yeah, I'll go to sleep. So for the rest of the surprises, you all can watch tomorrow's video. Stay tuned for that one, and I'm sure you all will love tomorrow's video also. So till then, see you in the next video. Bye.